Hello children, welcome back to our new period of mathematics. We will continue with our chapter surface area and volume. Last period we have continued with our exercise 13.5. Today also we will continue with the same exercise. So let us revise the formulas required for that exercise. Yes, we have seen about the volume of cube and cuboid. What is the volume of a cube? You know the shape. Yes. What are the properties of this cube? All sides are equal. And what is the meaning of volume? Volume is the space occupied in that object. Is it correct? So therefore the volume of a cube equal to a cube. The next thing is for cuboid. This is a cuboid shape where length, breadth and height and they are not equal. They are unequal. And the volume of a cuboid equal to L into B into H. Correct? So let us start with the exercise. Last period we have completed till question number 6. Today we will continue with question number 7. A go down measures 40 meter into 25 meter into 10 meter. Find the maximum number of wooden crates, each measuring 1.5 meter into 1.25 meter into 0.5 meter, that can be stored in the go down. Now you can see here, first understand the sum. What is given? They have given the go down and the dimensions of go down is given, that is length, breadth and height. Similarly, in go down we have to place the crates, wooden crates, and that is also in a cuboidal shape and the dimensions are given. So how much space is there in that go down? We have to find out, that is the volume of a go down, and we have to find out the volume of a small crate. Correct? And if you divide it, you will get the number of crates. Just look at here. This is nothing but a go down, where the length is 40 meter, breadth is 25 meter and height is 10 meter. And in that, if I want to place a small crate, so can you look at here with the yellow color? If I want to place like this type of crates, so how many crates I can place it in this? So I want to find that number. So what we will do, first let us start with the solution. We will write the given. For the go down dimensions, we will consider here as L1, B1, H1. L1 as 40 meter, B1 as 25 meter and height H1 as 10 meter. These are the dimensions of go down. Now what will be the dimensions of that wooden crate? So we will consider length as L2, which is equal to 1.5 meter. Breadth B2 equal to 1.25 meter and height H2 equal to 0.5 meter. So these are the dimensions are given. Let us find out the number of crates. So therefore what we will do first, now this sum you can solve it by two methods. First, separately find the volume of go down, then volume of crate and then divide. Or in the second way, directly number of crates equal to volume of go down upon volume of crate and do that calculation directly. Both the ways you will get the same answer. Now here I will first find out the volume of go down, L1 into B1 into H1. So here what will be the calculation? 40 into 25 into 10. So here 25 into 4. Yes. So what it will be? 25 into 4. 25 4s are 100 into 110, that is 0,000, multiply by 10. So it will become as 10,000. So volume of a go down is 10,000 meter cube. Correct? So then we will see the next step, volume of one wooden crate. It is L2 into B2 into H2. Substitute the values, 1.5 into 1.25 into 0.5. Now just multiply here, 15 into 0.5. 15 5s are 75. So it will become as 0.75 because 2 decimal point. Multiply by 125, that is 1.25. Multiply 725 into 75. Just calculate this value and just give the decimal point from right to left after 4 decimal places. So if you multiply, you will get the answer here as 0.9375 meter cube. Now what will be the next step? We want to find the number of crates. So number of crates is equal to volume of go down upon volume of 1 crate. That means 10,000 upon 0.9375. So let us see here. So let n be the wooden crates can be stored in the go down. Therefore volume of n wooden crates equal to volume of go down. That is n into 1 wooden crate equal to volume of go down. Therefore the volume of 1 wooden crate, we got it here as what? 0.9375 into n equal to 10,000. Therefore here we are getting the answer here as 10,000. Now what you will do here? First of all, 10,000 divide by 0.9375. As you can see the decimal point, after decimal point 4 digit, so again you will multiply by 10,000 to the numerator and denominator, and whatever with the 8 zeros you will get, and that divide by 9375. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We don't have any choice here to calculate that, and let us find the answer. You will get the approximate value here as 10666.66. That means 10,666.6. Actually, as we know the number of crates, this is a crate, that is a number, should be in whole number. So here we are not getting the exact value, we will get the approximate value. We will consider here as 10,666, or as the next digit is 6, you can take it as 10667 also. Both the answers we can consider. Is it clear to all of you? Yes? Okay. So we will continue with the next sum now. Solid cube of a side 12 cm is cut into the 8 cubes of equal volume. What will be the side of a new cube? Also find the ratio between their surface areas. So let us consider first of all side of a bigger cube as 12 cm, and we will find the volume of this cube. So volume of a cube is a cube. Therefore 12 cube equal to 1728 centimeter cube. Now that cube is divided into 8 equal cubes, correct? So we will consider that smaller cube side as A1. So volume of one smaller cube will become as A1 cube, correct? So let us find out the A1 cube is equal to 216. Is it correct? Yes. So how you got this 216 here? 8 into 1728. Yes, this is actually the last step. Just if you want, you can rub this and write it as a last step. So volume of a cube into 8 is equal to the volume of a bigger cube. Therefore you will get the next step over here as a cube equal to 216. How you got this 216 now? That is 1728 divided by 8. 1728, if you divide this 8, if you bring it on this side, divide by 8, you will get the answer as 216. Therefore A1 cube equal to 216. So A1 cube will become as 6, because the cube root of 216 is 6 centimeter. Then next, therefore the side of a smaller cube will become as 6 centimeter. But what is asked? They asked you to find the side of a smaller cube as well as ratio. Ratio between the surface areas of cube. So what will be the ratio? Surface area of bigger cube upon surface area of smaller cube. Yes. So now how to find out surface area of bigger cube? Do you know the formula here? That is 6a square. Is it correct? The here, and this one will become 6a1 square. 6 and 6 will get cancelled. A square. So what is the side of a bigger cube? 12. So it will be 12 into 12, and the first smaller, it is 6 into 6. 6 ones are 6 twos are. Here also 6 ones are 6 twos are. So what you are getting the answer? 4 upon 1. Therefore, you can see over here the final answer. The ratio between the surface areas of this cube is 4:1. Is it correct? Yes, solve this sum by yourself, this calculation, you will get the answer. Okay, let us continue with the next sum. A river 3 meter deep and 40 meter wide is flowing at a rate of 2 km per hour. Yes, how much water will fall into the sea in a minute? Now again, understand this sum first. The river is 3 meter deep. That means this is given as a height. Yes, h is given as 3 meter, wide 40 meter. So that means breadth is given as 40 meter. So how much they have covered, that is will become as what? Length. So we want to find the length, but what is given? The rate of flowing is given as 2 km per hour. Yes, it is given as 2 km per hour, but these values are given in meter, so convert it into meter. So how to convert 2 km per hour to meter? So 2 km per hour, 1 km equal to 1000. So 2000 upon 1 hour, we have to convert it and find it in meter. So it is nothing but, let us see the solution. So rate of water flowing is given as 2 km per hour, depth h equal to 3 meter, width equal to 40 meter. So volume will become in 1 minute we have to find. As I told you, the volume will become as 2000 upon 60. Yes, so 2000, because 2 kilometer to meter, it will be what? 2000. And this per hour value is given, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So divide by 16. So 0 will get cancelled. 2 3s are, 2 1s are. So it will become as 100 upon 3 meter per minute. Therefore, in 1 minute, what is given? 40,000 meter cube. So how you will get this answer? Let us see the next step. Depth h equal to 3 meter, width equal to 40 meter, volume in 1 minute is 40,000 meter cube. Let us see 4,000 meter cube. How you got it this? Because this 100 upon 3, it will be the length value. Breadth h is given as 40 and 3 is your height. So by using length, breadth and height, L into B into H, 100 upon 3 into 40 into 3. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So 4,000 meter cube is nothing but your answer. That's why in the previous slide I have given the answer, so that you have to calculate yourself and check the answer. And if you are not getting, see the next slide and write the answer. So therefore, what we will write here, in 1 minute 4,000 meter cube water will fall in the sea. Is it clear to all of you? Yes. So we have completed with this exercise. The next period we will continue with the next exercise. Till that, just practice these all the sums again and again and solve it.